up? It's Farm Boys. I'm going to show you our bikes. Start off with mine first. It's a 2010 Stolen Rat. Some custom parts. Stock frame with some animal stickers on it. Green Animal Hamilton pedals. Orange Stolen Mob cranks. Stock sprocket, chainwheel, whatever. Eastern bidirectional hub with Primo spokes and Alienation plain black rims in the front. Same thing, except I really don't know what hub that is. I think it's an Eastern. Demolition seat with rails with the animal seat post clamp. Odyssey Griswold grips, very comfy. Kink bar ends. Verde Cardell 2 bars. An S&M redneck stem with a stolen compression bolt. Stolen tornado forks in orange. I painted them, matched the cranks. And that's pretty much it. Show you next bike.
Alright, this is my full custom bike basically. This is my 2009 Verde Vextreme in flat black. I've got a dance comp sticker on it. I've got a kink headset. I've got 3 spacers. It was like Christmas morning when I got them. I've got crappy GT forks with an Alex G rim and GT spokes and a GT hub. Crappy. Stolen convict stem. S&M bars with a dance comp sticker. I've got ODI long neck grips. They're uncomfortable, but they grip nice. I've got a Verde seat with an FBM seat post, integrated seat post clamp. I like it. I've got Ghetto GT cranks with an unknown spindle. It's 22mm. I've got a animal bottom bracket with in the smoke color. It's pretty sweet. These are supposed to be Ghetto camouflage, if you're wondering. I'm getting my demolition cranks tomorrow. I've got a Medusa light sprocket. I like it. Light, strong, you know the deal. I've got a KMC 410 white chain. It's really nice. A little loose, but okay. I've got a Kenda. I don't even know what kind. A Kenda rear tire. I've got an Eastern bidirectional.
No. Eastern Niner.
Niner, whatever. Eastern Niner, my bad. Complete wheel, 48 spoke. It's all stock. Eastern did it. I got it off a friend. It's got a 9-tooth driver. It's medium sound. Yeah, I run brakeless. Yeah, but this is our bike check. It's pretty sweet.
Alright, that's Nick's bike. And it's my bike. Comment which bike you like more.
Alright.
Alright, bye.